let's see, I haven't even looked at the construction they've been doing here. Let's see what we got. See how it's going. A lot of sycamores here on the other side, especially going up in here. Some beautiful sycamores. This is a heavily trout fished area when they stock it, and then there's some wood ears over in here, but I'm not going out of my way to check because I checked some over here and I didn't see any except old remnants dried up. We need some warmer weather. At least we got more consistent precipitation in snow or light rain. There's a big old sycamore right there, right on the other side of the bridge. There's that raptor I was talking about. And we have a tributary splits up there. That's a nice area. Ooh. Yeah, here without falling. We'll take a look under the bridge. Take a look under the bridge, and then we'll go back. Yeah, look at this here. What are we on there? What's going on here? Oh, it's getting windy now. Yeah, so there's a lot of sycamores right up in here. I mean a lot of sycamores. So I went up there because I watched the morel videos last year, and I know it was a drier than usual spring and winter, but I didn't find a single morel last year. And I never found them before, and I wanted to try it, but nope. There we go. Oh, they're building a lane this wide probably. Look at that. Oh, it'll be two lanes on each side probably, I'm guessing. Let's get a picture of the sun there. There it is. My sky watching, folks. Alright, that's about it. They're working on it. Oh, this must be all rock. I'm walking on the stone, that's where I'm tripping. Look at that big hose there. Alright. I don't think I want to get out of here. Yep. It's all lumpy rock under the snow. I don't want to get injured on such a nothing video. Alright, let's get back. At least we got our body moving here. Yeah, lots of sycamores over there. Ain't working today. Jeez. Oh! Very rugged terrain. Alright, so that's where I was today. I didn't even put my second layer. I didn't even put my windbreaker on. I just have this and this office-looking sweatshirt. Oh, there's that. Where is he? Ooh. See around. Yeah, it's pretty neat up here where the tributaries meet. There we go. Let's get going. Let's see. Almost tempted to walk back here a little bit. Maybe I will right over here. Yeah, there's the path. No gloves on, but it's not too bad yet. I think it's like 31 degrees, but the wind is just starting to pick up. Let's just go back here a little bit. Should have some mushrooms on it next year. Although I never saw heavy mushrooms here. The logs look good. And this ditch here is full of down logs, and it looks like it holds a lot of moisture, but I never see anything in here. And then the rest is pine. Oh, there's something growing up that tree over there. What is that? Is that wood ear? Now I have to see what it is. If it is wood ear, it's probably not any good, but now I have to see what it is. Or is it a vine with old leaves going up there? It's getting cold now. It's getting cold. Let's see if we can get a little closer. Let's see. Then I'm gonna head back. I bet it's vines, dead leaves. See you in a moment. See you in a moment. Oh, I think it is those. It's those leaves. A lot of this is pine, down pine in here too, so that's another reason why I probably didn't get typical. Yes, these look like some kind of vine with old leaves attached. Still not sure though. No, I'm still not. What the heck? Oh man, I gotta get through there and find out. I'll go over this way. I'll see you when I get back. I'll take the shortcut. Hopefully I won't fall, that's all. See what these are. Oh, man, the way they're formed, they look like leaves. I gotta check it out. There's a lot of invisible stuff under here that I could trip on. What the heck? Dang, I'm gonna get my butt wet on the snow. I gotta wipe this off. What is that? It's looking like just a ridiculous formation on the bark. Yeah, it's just a ridiculous formation on the bark. That's all it is. Little suckers coming out of it and stuff. All right. Wow. Let's head back. Part of me doesn't want to head back now. The sun's out. Let's continue over this way towards the creek. I missed my hiking stick. I didn't think I was going to walk that far. I was just going to check a tree behind the parking lot. Still here. Hope you're still here. Let's move down to the creek. This is all these gnarlies here. These are all poison ivy. All poison ivy. So if you break it You can get the sap on your clothes, but at least chance of getting it this time of year. But this is terrible. Coming through here in the spring, if you're allergic to poison ivy and you don't walk almost perfect, or get it cross-contaminated from a deer brushing through on another plant, you're lucky. Let's look at the creek and head back. There's some sycamores on the other side. Let's see. Yeah. There's one there. Wow. And on the other side, there's a bunch on the other side. There's one behind this one here. And there's a big root here. I wanted to do a drumming video right up here. Right at the bend, there's a sycamore grows out on the turn here. See, oh, jeez, I stepped in a hole. Stickers. There we go. Let's just get this sycamore tree and then we'll head back. I don't think we're gonna luck into any mushrooms though. I found one patch of enoki mushrooms last year up here. It was actually early spring. And yes, they were enoki. They weren't deadly gallerinas. They were enokis. All right. Let's get right across from it. There we go. Oh, this had pheasant back on it too, I think, earlier in the year I saw it. Oh, old, wow. Oh, there you go. Yeah, old wood ear. Yeah, it's old. I thought that one was new, but this is very old wood ear. It gets old, it gets dirty. There we go. Let's get down here. There's a nice tree there. There's the bark on it there. Box elder right there, I can tell that right away. Oh, jeez. I landed in that slush puddle. So, there we go. Just hang on here. Yeah. So we have a lot of sycamore here. They grow out onto the edge. Sycamores all over in here, and these are all sycamores here. This is where I wanted to do a drumming video sometime, right under this rapids. That's sycamore there. My hands are feeling freezing now, so I'm going to go back as soon as I take a picture of this. Can't slip on the rocks. There we go. Here's the sycamores. found some wood ears right up under in here last year and the year before. Back in there. Not today though. I'm not going to do it today. Wait for a thaw out. This is beautiful. A drumming video right in here sometime. Okay. Let's head back. Okay. And back up the hill we go. Oh, was I too close up? Probably showing a picture of my eye. Let's try it again. Let's go. Beautiful, beautiful. Hoi! There's our little tracks here. There's what we went down there. Alright, let's head back up. There's the wood ear over there. When we get some spring weather, we should be getting wood ears in a lot of these kind of places. Not my favorite, but I appreciate them, and they're full of collagen. And let's get this beautiful sunshot between the clouds right now. There we have it. Let's go. Thank you.